Hey, the Portrait here. So after playing the first layers of Fear, and here's a little spoiler in case any of you doesn't know the game. So the main goal of this horror game is that you are trying to complete this painting without giving away too much information about the game. And the game is set up so that every time you get to the next level, so to speak, the main painting kind of morphs into the next stage. I thought I'll have a bit of fun with this, so I'm gonna do my own version of the paintings, but having the painting process be apparent and also become, well, Scarlett Johansson. Of course, I'm not a professional digital artist, and it was fun to kind of play around, and I skipped a few stages, basically going from zombie mode to kind of a final painting. So I basically try to mimic the same style and color from the game, and the difficult part is really getting the proportions right at the zombie stage so that it can be transitioned into the finished painting without having to move around the features too much. I personally don't think I did a great job, but at least it is somewhat recognizable to some degree. Overall, this is just a fun video, something new for me to try. I feel like the real Halloween is gonna be in 2 days anyway. As always, I appreciate you watching my videos. Any questions and comments, just leave them in the comment section. And until next time, cheers!